Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford F150 radio. We'll start by identifying the most frequent problems that F150 owners encounter with their audio systems. Then, I'll guide you through some straightforward troubleshooting steps you can perform right at home. This will help you determine if it's a quick fix or if you might need to consider more advanced solutions. Let's get your sound back. Many radio issues are surprisingly simple to resolve. First, always check your truck's fuse box. A blown 15-amp fuse is a common culprit for a dead radio. Next, try a soft reset by disconnecting your battery's negative terminal for about 10 minutes, then reconnect it. This can often clear minor electronic glitches. Finally, ensure all wiring connections behind the radio are secure and free from damage. If basic steps don't work, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of your speaker wires, ensuring no breaks exist. Also, verify the power supply to your radio using a voltage meter to confirm it's receiving adequate power. Sometimes, software glitches cause problems, so check for available firmware updates for your specific F150 model's radio system. These steps can pinpoint deeper issues. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, professional help is the best route. If you've tried all troubleshooting and still have no sound, or if you suspect internal component damage, it's wise to consult a qualified automotive technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose complex electrical issues or recommend a head unit replacement. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.